Today we were heading towards the stadium. The Rangers were playing at home against Enyimba City. A game we definitely didn't want to miss. Already from outside, we could tell that the crowd will show up tonight. Everybody wanted to see Rangers play against the Elephants. And we had to be patient before we could go in.
Waiting for Rangers against Enyimba, man. The match that will decide the league.
But once we got in, we found our place with a great view over the pitch. We were privileged enough to share our space with a famous player, ManU. Ready for the game to start. The crowd was huge, and even though the game had already started, people were still trooping in. Chijoke and Uche got a front seat. And we cheered on the players from our chairs. Just like so many other viewers and supporters in the stadium.
Like I said, there will be more than we reach something.
It's amazing to see how people showed up to support the National League.
Will be happening. Now, as you do that, you continue on to pray for Rangers to win this game.
The tension was high and the game was hot. Abba didn't want to let us score. And even though they had some great chances, the ball never wanted to enter the pool. But we were running out of time, and still there was no goal to settle the deal. And once the referee blew a penalty in overtime, nobody was sitting in his chair again. Enyimba refused to play the penalty, and the Enyimba supporters were ready for everything. The Rangers supporters were certain that this would be the win for them. But unfortunately, the game didn't end as expected. Enyimba supporters stormed the field and started to basically beat up the Rangers fans until they retaliated. We were lucky to be in our little box, protected by the glass. I think chaos is the best way to describe what was going on. Even some ABBA players had to take refuge in our stands. And after the situation relaxed a bit, we could get out without being harmed. We entered our keke and made our way home. This truly was a night to remember, and let's hope Rangers will still win the league and make us proud.